What do we need to feel free? Feeling nothing that controls your life and mind. Begin your journey with FIIDO. Imagine there are no limitations at all, except gravity. The FIIDO electric bike offers an outstanding riding experience due to its 20-inch wheels and Shimano's 7-gear transmission system, which provides stability under any conditions. No matter how fast you are going, the dual disc brake system immediately slows you down. One charge lets you travel up to 100 kilometers on a flat road and up to 50 kilometers while using built-in power boost mode. Powerful 250-watt motor provides you sufficient amount of energy for any ride. Aluminum alloy makes it super light, super easy to charge due to hidden battery inside the seat. Its minimalistic and modern design defines the future of electric bikes. FIIDO, sky the limit.
Vintage Electric for us really is the celebration of a 100-year transportation love story. You know, we look deep into the past to look at the simple, elegant vehicles that were being created in the turn of the century, and we're taking those vehicles, really learning from them, and using them to fuel our innovations for the future. In 2013, we built the first bike out of a garage in California. Since then, we've been able to take everything that we've learned and put it into the Roadster. From the 75-mile range to the suspension fork, just the overall build quality, we've transformed that bike into something that blurs the lines between electric bike and motorcycle. It's simple. Select what power mode you want to ride in, push the throttle down, and enjoy up to a 75-mile range.
So the great thing about the Roadster is it's taken, 6 years of tinkering and changing and upgrading and figuring out really what we wanted in a bike, and the end result is a really cool blend of all the best technology and components we've gathered over the years to come up with a bike we're truly proud to offer.
This is something so new. It's quiet, it's fast, it makes you feel special, it makes you feel proud. It's just a lot of fun.
We want to bring that same passion and enthusiasm that you see in the car, motorcycle, bike world into the electric bike space, building vehicles that people can get behind and create a true lifestyle out of.